Hello, this is the unboxing and first impressions of the YUXIN Cloud 5x5 and YUXIN MEGAMINX version 2. Let's get into it. So, here are the two puzzles. The YUXIN Cloud 5x5 and the YUXIN MEGAMINX version 2. Let's get into this MEGAMINX first. Okay, so in the box we have the puzzle, and we also have a pamphlet. If you want to read this pamphlet, you can just pause the video. I believe it's just instructions on how to solve the puzzle. So the first thing I'm noticing when looking at this MEGAMINX is how vibrant these colors are. They're very bright. Color recognition will not be a problem. They're all very different. And let's get into first turns. Wow, that is a very, very smooth puzzle. I'm blown away that this is only a $10 puzzle. I believe it turns very close to the same as the X-Men Galaxy. It reminds me of that the most. It also kind of reminds me of the old Diane. But it's very smooth. Let's check out this corner cutting. So, one piece. Easy. 45 degrees. That's about it. It can go 45. And then also the other way. 45 degrees. And reverse. Let's try about half a piece. Just about half a piece. This puzzle seems not very loose. There is not any lubricant in it at the moment. So I'm sure after adding lubricant and tensioning it to how you like it, this will be a very, very nice cube. So, but next to the 3x3, we can see that it's a little bit larger, but it's not obnoxiously large. It can still fit in your hand well. Much smoother than this Rubik's brand, believe it or not. Okay, let's put this off to the side. Let's check out this 5x5. This is the YUXIN Budget 5x5. It's the Cloud. So, first turns here, it's very, very smooth. These outer layers, at least, are very, very like buttery feeling. The inner layers are slightly more sandy, but it's not anything obnoxious. Oh, there's also a pamphlet in here. Look at that real quick. These inner layers are a little bit more sandy. We'll see how it is after about breaking in. Both of these puzzles, I'm gonna do about 100 solves on them, and then I'm gonna do a review. Let's put this in a checkerboard real quick and check out these colors. So we have a very fluorescent orange, green, and yellow, and a darker blue and red, and you know, white's just white. But yes, very, wow, unbelievably smooth, these outer layers. Let's check out corner cutting. So we have one piece here. No problem, a little bit over maybe. Not as easy. Whoa. Ooh. Wow. Okay. There's a pop. Let's put this back together and then finish the review. It's pretty easy to go back together. So let's check out reverse. There's half a piece. Ooh. Another pop. It's a little loose. I'm gonna tighten it up a bit. Maybe put some lube in it. That'll probably fix that problem. Hopefully. But I will see you guys in the review of these two puzzles.